Wow, I wish they didn't paint everything. Yeah, it smells like fresh paint. Like I know they just ruined it. Imagine this with hardwood. It's probably underneath this. Take it off!
Whoa, this is a pretty center.
This is cute. This is the best, one of the better setups. Look at Mom! They painted the tile.
Yeah, I got that in the picture.
I hate these people.
Yeah, this is pretty much a god. These windows are newer, that's what I always love. Because that's expensive, more windows are good. These floors, you just resand them. They'd be perfect, they look like ours.
Yeah, that's a nice closet.
See, these are the
This house feels really big.
Yeah, this house feels good.
Cute.
This was a giant. No, this was a bedroom.
Which one?
This, it's got a closet.
Oh, this is so cute. But this probably used to be so cute with all wood.
See,
this too.
You take out that and you make shelving in it there. You make that your dining area or something, right?
Yeah, yeah. I like this fireplace.
Ooh, look what they did.
Right by the backyard.
See, that's what they just
Yeah,
did.
it's super cute. What?
They took all the carpeting out.
Oh, dang.
They put too much concrete here, huh?
Yeah.
Like you literally can park your car facing this way.
Yeah. Honestly, because nobody would keep this.
See, you can turn this back into what you like.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I wanted to look at
The other
it.
thing is that the moldings are all white.
Why can't you get new moldings?
You can, but that's kind of
Yeah, that's why I wanted to look at this house though, because the layout's good. They just ruined it with paint. Aren't you scared?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh look, that's sick. I love this.
A fire escape? Ew, they were hunters. It's probably the spirits of a lot of...
Maybe he likes these animals. I didn't know.
Oh. I
Go
did
right
that.
to the negative.
Where are you guys? Don't leave me. Hey everybody. I'm at Amanda's house right now, and now I'm awkwardly vlogging while she's outside. I just had her help me film a TikTok for who, what, where because she's better at everything aesthetic compared to me. I mean, look at her house. That's all my mess that I just made. But her house is so cute. She's outside taking her dog out. And this is her tripod because, again, she's a better influencer than me. Isn't this outfit cute? This is 2 days in a row of who, what, where. But I just really like their stuff and their clothes, and I wanted to make sure I made good content for them because I love them. Not that I don't always try to make good content, but I wanted it to be especially good. We're gonna wait for Amanda to come in. I don't know if she knows I'm doing vlogmas. She's just standing outside. Hi!
Oh, how do the clips look?
They look so good.
I want to see it edited already.
Buzzy, say hi.
Dirty ploys.
Who did that?
Stinky.
You're so precious. Hi, everybody. I just wanted to
His
say.
hand is like limp.
I know. He looks like a little grandma. He
doesn't
said
do
transition.
anything with
Boom.
It's so stupid. He's just dancing with me.
That's you.
He hates phones. Watch. I wonder if he'll be able to
He
talk.
won't look at it. You need to like vlog or something because you have the perfect backdrop for everything.
Every time I try vlogging, it's a fail.
Honestly, me too.
It's such easy to see the bathroom turned out.
Yeah, I went pee in there. I peed in here. I love the green.
I need to take stuff up later. Look at what I got for it.
Potty.
Look. Tell me what you think.
Oh. Yes.
Yep.
Oh my god, I love the color it is.
$20 on Etsy. Everyone asks me about that table, and I'm always like, dude, you guys can thank Lainey for
Driving.
3 hours for that thing. Yeah. I want to wear it with like, oh, he's giving me a thing. Like imagine with like a
got layers
black
on.
dress, just like a plain black mini dress with this like over top.
My first thing, this windbreaker that I'm gonna share with Brandon.
It would look really cute, these pants.
I like this is the kind of stuff where you're like, I don't want to buy it, but then you buy it and you wear it all
And
the
you
time.
wear it all the time.
Yeah.
Exactly. That's how I feel about this one. My next outfit. Plaid PJs. We got this from the Salvation Army. I think these are gonna fit, but they're like men's. I know they were in the women's section, but they're
They look men's. What is it, Gap or Old Navy?
Old Navy.
Nice. And then I got a wedding dress because I'm getting married
She's getting
one day.
She's getting married tomorrow.
Just long wedding dress. I want Ava to wear hers and then we can go out as bride.
It's so cute. I wonder if it's gonna be see-through.
Probably.
Yeah, you can
Oh,
wear a
look
slip
at a
with it.
slit.
That's cute.
That's so cute.
That's gonna look so good.
I'm
I love
excited. And it's actually my size.
I got a vest. I don't know how it's gonna fit. I feel like I should try it on, but
Would you wear it with nothing underneath or with stuff underneath?
probably both.
Both, yeah.
Yeah. Cause
Oh my god, I feel like that fits you perfect.
Oh, yeah.
And I love all the buttons.
oh, it does fit literally perfect. Look how silly I look.
No, you look good. You look like a rich man.
Mom, I am rich. This is
We're already
cute.
on my last thing. See, you had to go first. This is kind of confusing, but I wanted
I love it.
But it was $10 or $11. It's a jumpsuit. It looks like, do you know the brand Peachy Den?
Yeah. Wait, I can't believe that you found this. Does it have the brand?
It's cut off. I think it's really cute.
The
I
fabric is
like
like
it.
really nice.
I'm
That's
excited.
cute.
And it's like wide leg, not
I
like
see you put
weird.
it on. With your platforms, that would be so cute.
Yeah, I could wear this out this weekend.
You should. That's really cute.
That's it for me.
I love it.
On to Amanda's haul.
The next thing that I got was this.
Love
It's
it.
lingerie, but I feel like this with literally a pair of denim 501s and my white shoes would look so cute. Even with like a leather jacket, like
Yes, yes.
anything.
This with the leather jacket,
It's
it's like so cute.
You should borrow it. I think your boots would look really good in it.
That's when you were picking up, I was like, if she doesn't get it, I'm getting it.
Yeah.
I have
borrow it
one
whenever
really
you want.
similar to it though.
I wonder how my boobs are gonna look next.
I feel like it'll work, it's not too.
Yeah, I want to try it.
This would be
That's so
cute
cute.
one.
I can't wait to wash it.
Or like this with a skirt to like dress up more. Like even your leather skirt.
That would look really good with my leather skirt. This is the best.
That's a good one.
This is the best one.
But the universe did not want her to have this hat.
It kept falling out of my hands. A New York and Paris company. I can't believe that it was still there. Like I can't believe someone didn't snatch us up.
Yeah.
Like this is so freaking cute.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Yeah, that's literally perfect. And I've been like really into hats. And then Lainey found this. PJs! These definitely won't, I mean, if I like
Cinch
pull
it,
them,
yeah.
But I like them even alone for like the shirt.
Yeah,
Like this is really cute. Because I just wear PJs all the time now. This is my unique purchase that I'm not sure, we're still working on styling this one, but we're thinking turtleneck, leather skirt, loafers. I love it. And like even with this little hat, like that's so cute.
This
Comfy.
and that and leather.
Yeah.
So good.
And then lastly, all right.
As is.
We have some explaining to do. Okay, so, looks like a hospital gown. However, it's Oscar de la Renta, and it has the Oscar de la Renta embroidery on it. And if you don't know who Oscar de la Renta is, well, we gotta do some research because Oscar de la Renta is dead. I feel like Oscar de la Renta is really iconic. So like you can see that the shape of it is like pretty nice. So I feel like if I wore it with like a sweater and then did like the sweater hack where you kind of like tuck it
And then, yeah.
and like even with like a belt or like something to cinch the waist
yeah.
with like tall boots.
Yeah, because as a skirt, I think it's super, super cute
Yeah.
too. It's
And
just
the
the top is
material's nice.
confusing. Yeah, super nice.
Just
It's almost like a sweater vest cut.
I even feel like with this turtleneck underneath and like
Yeah.
a thick black belt, if I
You're
can
gonna make
find
it look
one,
good. I know you are.
I want to use
Looks
you as
brand
like,
new
I know.
too.
I want to use you as my Barbie doll and like style all my outfits on you. Get your butt out of the camera. Why are you putting your butt in the camera? No butts in the camera. Buddy, get out of everyone's coochie! Oh. Hey! What are you doing to my
He's
friend?
trying to eat my ear. Let him eat it. Can I help you?
Oh, he's humping you.
That grosses me out.
Stinky white dog.
You like her ears.
A crusty white dog. Okay, well, I would say that's about it.
Yep, thanks for tuning in to Vlogmas Day 2 or something.
Wave goodbye with your toes.
Wave goodbye, Bugsies.
Oh, okay. All right. Goodbye.